Joseph here from ACAP. Welcome to today's update. So basically, we're just having a look at the US30. We're looking at it from the daily chart, and we're just keeping an eye on this pattern today. We have seen this consolidation over a fair few periods of days now, and we've seen a few attempts to break above 32,900. But for now, buyers have been struggling to do that. Yesterday, we did see a small move down. We did see some rejection from buyers late in the session, but today again, we're seeing a bit more selling coming to play. It is starting to test the base of the pattern. So it's an ascending triangle pattern. These are pretty common in uptrends. We do have this uptrend here now, so we are looking at it as from a continuation based idea. But I think a lot will come down to tonight's CPI. It is expected to come in lower than sharply lower than the last CPI reading. But is it going to be enough to signal a potential pause in rate rises or peak inflation? That's yet to be seen. But definitely, if we do see a better than expected result, that could be good for stocks. We could see a break higher. But if it does come in as expected or higher than expected, maybe that's going to put some pressure on and we could see a lower break. But for now, definitely the trend remains in play, even if we do have a bit of a further reaction lower from sellers. We'll still be looking for possibility of higher lows to come into play, and for this recovery trend just to stay in play for the time being until something more substantial happens to sort of say that, hey, there could be a momentum shift going on a bit more than what you'd gauge as a normal reaction in a trend. OBV wise, there's not too much going on with a lower high here with a higher high there, so there is some divergence there. But again, divergence on the OBV, it can be a bit of a forecaster, but you definitely have to just take it with a touch of a grain of salt and continue to concentrate on the trend and the price action that you are looking at now. So if we did see a break higher, we'd be looking at 275 area to come in as the next level of resistance. This did stop a pretty decent fight back last time, yet it was in a pretty decent bear move. But we'll definitely be looking at that level if tested to maybe step in as resistance. So a lot could come down to today's CPI data release that's coming out later today. It's 8:30 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, so 10:30 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time for us in Australia. So thanks very much for tuning in. Thanks for your time. We wish you all the best for the rest of your trading day and good trading. And again, thank you and bye for now.